Omukoro ogu gutandikire no kurambara bimwe aha bintu ebya beegi bakozire aha university. Professor Joy Kwesiga, Vice Chancellor wa Kabale University, asimire Gavumenti ahabwo kubaha omwanya ogu kandi bakikereza kureta etongoize omuri Kabale University.
And I think this is going to grow into something which is very important. Remember, the ICT Innovation Center is for the Western region. It is not just for Kabale, it is for the Western region. So we hope that to grow into a bigger innovation hub.
Associate Professor Felix Businje oyebembire omurimo gwo gukora omwanya ogu ashoborire ekigendererwa cyo kugukora.
An MOU was signed on 17th May 2022 to provide workspace, mentorship, education, and access to funders, provide adequate resources, support obtaining of the intellectual property, and support the commercialization of the innovations.
Our request as a university, we have started a project with very high potential. They have discussed the process out of innovation to come up with the product, brand it, and go into mass production.
Cyrus Ngabirano omugenyi mukuru ayorekire ngo Gavumenti eyikirize kugumizamu no kuhagira beegi n'abantu abarikwenda kutandika ebintu bisya kurabira omukweyambisa karimagyezi.
Even in the system for clicking using the eyes is one of the great systems I've seen today. Actually, when I was witnessing the demonstrations, I saw potential projects. One of them is the lights control system.
Ubwo hati amatendekero ashatu omuyanga Kume University, Moni University na Kabale University nigo gine emyanya nkeji. Aha University ya Kabale Gavumenti etireho sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 250. Gashakwa Job n'amanya omuri Kabale.